Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to do scenario modeling, also known as what if analysis, using a simple and clean data set. The data set I'm going to be using is very straightforward. It has the product sales data for 4 quarters, including units sold, unit price, and revenue for 2 different products, alpha and beta. The data is already clean, so we can skip the data cleaning process. And our goal is to see how changes in unit price affect revenue. So we'll focus on 2 different scenarios, optimistic and conservative. When the unit price increases is what we call the optimistic, and the conservative scenario is when the unit price decreases. In our case, our optimistic or our unit price increases by 5% and decreases by 3%. So with this, it helps us to understand how pricing decisions can affect revenue and also overall business performance. So let's start with the first product, alpha in quarter one. Alpha in quarter one. So we have units sold for 1,000. So that would be equals 1,000 by the increase, which is 5%. And conservative equals 1,000 by the decrease, which is 3%. So with this now, it shows how even a small change in price can affect our revenue. So now let's make it easier to do for all products using the what if data table in Excel. Before we do that, I like to always do the baseline, optimistic, and conservative table, then highlight it in my data table. So our baseline would be 1,000. And for the optimistic, it's 1,050. And conservative is 970. Then our forecasted revenue is 50,000. The baseline forecasted revenue is 50,000. Now we can do the data table in Excel. So you select it, go to the data tab and go to what if analysis and click on your data table. So for the row input cell in the data table, since we're not making any changes to the row, we'll leave it blank. We'll focus on the column input cell, and that is where we're making changes. So you input, in the column input cell, you pull your baseline value, which is 1,000. Click OK. Excel will automatically fill in the revenue for you. And that is how to do your what if analysis in Excel.